Since last week, I have been using this 2 plugin token saver system, which has saved me around $30 in token cost in 1 week. For all my personal projects, I have created this Codebase Memory Graph. This right here is a Codebase Memory Graph for requests library of Python, and I was able to create this in just 1 second. By combining these 2 plugins, I was able to save substantial amount in token costs. You can use this system for Claude Code, Codex, OpenCode, any coding harness that you like. The first plugin is Codebase Memory MCP. When I discovered this plugin, it had around 1k to 2k stars. Now at the time of recording this video, it has around 25,000 stars on GitHub. What this Codebase Memory MCP does is it uses this tree setter library, which is used by most of the IDEs now, like VS Code, PyCharm, Neovim. These IDEs use this library to index your project. So the Codebase Memory MCP does the same thing, but for your coding harness. So how this Codebase Memory MCP helps your coding harness save the tokens is whenever you ask a question to Claude, what it does is it uses this shell commands ls, grep, cat to find the files, to read the files, and because of that it consumes a lot of tokens. Claude uses this MCP server to directly go to that file without ls or without grep. So by doing that, it saves around 225 times tokens that generally Claude uses. And this is the official benchmarks across 35 repositories. You can see the question types and the savings in this table. And this MCP server runs fully local, and it is a single static C binary, so no Docker, no runtime, no Python, no npm, download and just run. So the second plugin here is Headroom, which you might already know. So one line summary for Headroom could be it compresses everything in Claude Code context before sending it to the Anthropic server. Headroom has these 3 prompt or tool outputs, you can say, which is cache aligner, content router and intelligent context. With these 3, it also has RTK, which is Rust token killer. RTK is also a separate open source Rust binary that intercepts bash tool calls in Claude Code and rewrite CLI commands output before they land in context. Summary of this command are shortened and you save tokens. And then there is Serena. Headroom also installs Serena automatically. Serena is also one MCP tool. Serena also helps Claude along with Codebase Memory MCP to find the exact functions or cross-file renames or reference lookups, etc. So with all of this, Headroom alone saves you around 60 to 95% tokens. And the Codebase Memory MCP also saves you some tokens, and with these 2 plugins combined, you save substantial tokens. You can install these 2 plugins with just one command. So for Codebase Memory MCP, there are 2 options. If you want a UI, which I showed you in the start, if you don't want the UI, you can just run this command, which is without UI. Let's grab with UI because I want the UI. Just paste in your terminal, press enter, and boom, your Codebase Memory MCP is installed for you for all your coding harnesses. Now we can install Headroom. If you have Python installed, you can use pip command. If you have Node installed, you can use npm install. I have both installed, so I'll just grab one of them, paste it here. And that's it. Headroom is installed for you. Once you install Headroom, you have to start your session using this command, Headroom wrap your coding agent. Now I'm using Claude. That's why I'm using Headroom wrap Claude. If you are using Codex, you will use Headroom wrap Codex. Let's get this. Paste it here and you will see this Headroom wrap Claude. That means your Claude is now inside Headroom. To see the dashboard that I showed you before, you can copy this link, go to your browser, paste this link here and write dashboard and press enter, and you will start seeing this page where you can see your savings. To see the savings made by RTK, in your terminal you can write RTK gain and you will see how many tokens you have saved. Since we have already installed Codebase Memory MCP, we can just run this command Codebase Memory and it will index our project. So once you run Codebase Memory command, it automatically indexes your project on the MCP server. If you want to check the visual graph of the project, you can go to localhost 9749 and you will start seeing the graph for your project. To show how Codebase Memory MCP works, I have created this prompt. I want the coding agent to go through this library and tell me important pieces of the code and along with their paths from the root. In just 21 seconds, it went through all of the request library. It only costed me around $0.3. It gave me the core architecture and data models, etc. and also the path of these files from the root. And it called Codebase Memory MCP 4 times. And that's how you will save a lot of tokens. There is one more important thing, which is modifying your Claude.md. You can copy paste this Claude.md or agents.md and your coding agent like Claude, Codex, Anti-Gravity will start using this system. I hope you liked this video. If you did, then give a thumbs up. If you want to see more such systems, AI workflows, AI tutorials, then this is the right channel that you have found. So please subscribe to my channel. You will find all the resources in the description below and in my Telegram channel on my GitHub repository. So do check out. So let's grow in this AI journey together and see you in the next one.